When I hear NCC don't talk then talk say, then they propose, no be say they don't pass then they propose say make then stop to the sell SIM to children will be 18 whenever reach 18 years. 18 years make them stop to the sell SIM to children whenever reach 18 years. Now waiting then they propose, no be say the thing, no be say they don't agree to them. But then I can't think they stop to propose SIM, but the few married children where they below 18 for some states for this country, for some region for this country. When I know they push for that one, now SIM card, SIM. Now una they first talk about say una they protect minor. Where you supposed protect minor, you know they do anything to protect minor. You no do anything to protect minor. For where una supposed protect minor. Now for SIM. You see, for the abroad, where we do so, for the abroad, you get telecoms, they do things them way be say, then they sell packages for kids. I don't know whether it be like that. For those of now we get children here and all those stuff, una go know whether then get packages, all these telecom, get packages we be saying now for children, now things that will concern children. And any other thing will not be for that particular age. You know, if you enter that phone, you know the fit enter. Even though we know say evil people plenty, but the way we then take they do you know they enter. But say you go say children of less than 18, make them no collect SIM. Makagini one. Makagini. Think I'm well. Yeah? I beg. But you don't know they do anything about marriage. Una they talk about SIM. Now so una care for children rich. Una they care for children, yet we get plenty children we know they school. They waka everywhere. Una they care for children. Yet hospitals them go on strike for how long? Una know not just which day here. Now then just call off. Una they care for children. Now so una like children rich. On Tuesday na be World Teachers Day. If you know that special person, not be only teacher will teach you for school like they talk about now. Not be only teacher will teach you for school. Yeah? But it gets some people will be say you don't learn from. Not be say if you get opportunity to appreciate some people, appreciate them. Appreciate those teachers them. Appreciate them. Not be only your teacher for secondary school. Not be only your teacher for university. I be your for primary school. No. If you know that one person will be say, this man or this woman, I don't learn plenty things. They appreciate them for XYZ, for this, for that way you do. Honestly. Now those people them I just want make you at the open phone line. If you get any of them like that where you want to appreciate, make you just do waiting. Make you just call this morning. Call the person name. Make the person even know. Say true. Say you they appreciate them. Yes. Make truly the person know. Say truly you they appreciate them. You go call the person name. You go call where the person they. Just drop those words them. We go to read the person. If the person they hear, even if the person no hear, another person go call and say, hey yeah, so person, then call you, they appreciate you. Yeah? Not be only to define what you want collect. Appreciate the person, make the person know say you appreciate them. Anyway, the government too don't come talk am. Say then they give 75,000 per semester to undergraduate people will go to study education until the World Teachers Day. Now then take talk that particular one. Yeah? Because they want to make more people we sabi, we go enter teaching. I hope say then go do better packaging for teachers, do better things than for teachers and all those stuff. I hope say then go do them. Yeah. As then Nigeria they doing own. Now in UK self, Boris Johnson announced £3,000 for people where they teach maths and science teachers. £3,000. Now the new announcement be that if you they teach maths, this one I know say plenty teacher go come out from this country. People where they teach maths and all those stuff. But and I just piece of information now I just pass. But if you know that one person where be say you truly they appreciate, not be only your teacher for school. Now them, I want make you appreciate this morning. Just appreciate them. Who did the phone line there? This one talk say, I appreciate my uncle who teach me tailoring work. Igama O and Brothers Tailoring Company. His name is Igama Salami. In brother teach him tailoring work. And then I hope so yourself still the impact to other people, because now one thing where the important be that. No be just make person make you benefit. Try to make people benefit from you. This one talks a good morning, sir. I appreciate my son teacher. Her name is Mrs. Enoy Rabo. School name is Virgin Nursery and Primary School for Ijesha. All right. This one talks say my name is Chinyere. Yeah, from Agbara. This one, I appreciate Ada name. Ada Oguli. She's my big sister. She brought me up. God bless her. Mrs. Beatrice Onyagalu. Okay, na blessing of Ondo. Now send me that particular message. Thank you. Thank for being there for us. I appreciate my great teacher, guidance, mother, etc. Teresa Ngozi Nwokolo, who have gone to rest 4 years ago. Yeah, Oluchi send me that particular message. Good. I want to appreciate my parish priest, Reverend Joe Ben Anya, of Divine Mercy Catholic Church for Ikorodu. Na Vicky, now send me that particular message. Who be that special person where truly you want to appreciate that person don't impact to you? No be just your teacher. World Teachers Day na Tuesday na NEB. This Tuesday we pass so na be World Teachers Day. But that person we don't teach you, we don't do things. We be say you take be person today, because as teachers teach for school, get someone. No be your parents now, no be your mama, no be your papa. No be your mama, no be your papa. That other person. Hear the phone line there. Yo, I greet you this morning.
I greet you, yo.
Yes, sir.
Na Choma Sunday.
Oh, Choma, how you doing?
I did fine, and you?
Yes, I did fine.
The person that do me something, Nonyelo Monwe Yam.
Yeah, Nonyelo.
My tight girlfriend.
Oh, okay. She stand there for you. You dey learn things from her.
Yes.
Okay.
Too much.
Oh.
No be small, though.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Yo.
Oh. Who did here?
Lukumawo.
Oh, one name mother. Udo.
Dalo.
Udo one name. Udo.
Thank you.
We thank God.
I want to greet one special person.
Who be that special person?
It's Edith Achazie.
Ejike.
Edith Achazie.
Ejik Achazie.
Edith.
Okay. Edith. Okay, Edith.
Yes.
Okay. Edith.
Achazie.
Now your teacher should be Abina who?
Oh, nah, like a mother to me in Lagos here.
Oh, a mother to you in Lagos here.
Yes.
Oh, so if anything happen, now she they run to go talk to, ask advice.
No, be smart, you know.
Are you serious? Oh.
Something happened to my wife like this. She born baby and the baby died.
Oh.
So she took my wife to her house, take care of her for 1 good month or 2 months.
Oh.
So she can be able to come back.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
and she not be your mama, she not be anything to you.
No, we're not in church.
Are you serious? That's nice.
And the husband is also like a father. So now God bless us with a son this year.
Oh, congrats.
The husband is a godfather to my son.
Of course, I expect.
And I named the boy after him.
Oh, truly, you appreciate them, truly.
Anthony Achazie.
Thank you.
The man's name, and my baby's name is Anthony.
All right, so thank you. God bless them.
My name is Obaino from Shomolu.
Obaino from Shomolu. Thank you so much. If you say the teacher of your children too, they do well, appreciate them. Yeah? Appreciate them. If you see, Oyibo people won't be saying then go buy flour, go give the person. Then go buy flour and chocolate, go give the person. I don't know what thing if you buy for Nigerian person, we go make and do and I never know. But if you fit, you see that one small chicken thing, that one small, not think say that one a big man now, he no need my gift. No see I'm like that. No see I'm like that, say you no need my gift. No. You see that chinking something where you still feel give that person. Yeah, where you they appreciate. Not be just to appreciate I'm only for radio. Yeah. If you know that small thing where you feel just buy, even if now one red wine, put thank you card. Just tell the person, say, thank you, sir, for everything. Thank you, ma, for everything. No be saying no if you afford that wine. No be saying no if you afford, but you go actually understand the in-depth, the depth of how you feel towards them. You go fit understand them. You need to show appreciation to those people them where you know say don't impact positively to your life, to your growth. People where don't make you reach where you dey, where make you grow. You need to appreciate them. I take God beg you. Not be just only for radio here. Yeah? Not be just for radio here. Just not be saying at their birthday. No. Not be until he reach their birthday. Not be until he reach Christmas. No. Just do am. Do am. One bottle of red wine. Buy chocolate. Buy card. Thank you, sir. That's all. Thank you for everything. Thank you, ma. God bless you for everything. Ha. Oyibo own a flower. I don't know what in our own be. But I dey sure say the person will appreciate them.
Agari, I want to appreciate my brother.
Your brother, your elder brother.
Yes, sir.
Uchennagu. Uchennagu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what did he do for you? Just I don't know. Just
he tried for me during my secondary school days.
He tried?
He used to take, yes, sir.
Oh, now he take care of you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Oh. He did good. He did good. Thank you so much. What will be your own name?
His wife. My name is Chinelu.
Chinelu. Where you dey? You dey Lagos here?
Yes, sir.
Your brother dey Lagos too?
No, he's a lecturer in Unizik.
Oh, na lecturer for Unizik. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. You get one of my friend will tell me, say everybody, saying senior brother, they go into trading, go they learn markets, is wafia. So that all of them, all the money where they make there, now he take send all of them go school. Before him, their senior brother can't decide to go university. So then do 50th birthday for the guy. No, 60th, I mean 55. Then do for him on the 18th of September. The guy cry,